1, start. Hello students, today we are going to discuss the concept that is basic philosophies of marketing. It is also known as the approach, that is company orientation towards the marketplace. In this particular chapter, when we are going to discuss the basic philosophies of marketing, it includes product concept, production concept, selling concept, marketing concept and holistic marketing approach. So let me discuss first, that is product concept. Before many years, for any organization, it was like a dilemma that what to produce and how we sell that product in market. So at that particular place, the people or the organization focuses only on the product category. Means they are preparing the product for the benefit of people and on the basis of making the product only. For an example, if there are 1000 customers, then the product which is prepared from the side of company, it is only 1000 unit. It is not more than that. The other extra prepared product or the material which is produced by the organization, it is only at the place which is known as the raw material. People cannot use it. It is at one particular place where it cannot be sold out in market. So this is about the product concept. Before number of years, in this product concept category, if I add something or if I add much more kind of things in this concept, then it is says that consumers generally look and prefer the quality products. And that is very much true. The consumers only need the quality product. For an example, if you are talking about goods or services, when you go for watching a movie, if you pay 300 rupees of a movie, if you pay 150 rupees for your popcorn and Pepsi, after analyzing all this amount, that is more than 500 or 500 to 600 rupees, if movie is not fine for you, then you will definitely say that that is not as per our thinking or imagination. This is all about the service. But when you go for purchasing the product, if you purchase the product, but if the product does not provide you the proper quality in that particular sense, you will say you are not satisfied from that product. So this is all about the product concept. Now the second one, that is selling concept. So when we discuss the concept of selling, then here the company before many years, before 40 to 50 years, focusing only on selling kind of activity. Here in this particular analysis, I realized that there is only two kind of way, like making a product and selling a product. What they are making and they sell only those products what they are making. So this is the selling product approach. But nowadays, if you are talking about the concept of selling, then in this particular sense, people are focusing more on the consumer's capability. People are focusing more on the segmentation. People are focusing more on the targeting activity. And people are focusing more on the positioning strategies also. Let me give you one more example over here. If I am talking about the concept of selling, then here in this particular concept, there are number of things which are added in selling activity. Like if you are purchasing some product that it is on a sales or it is having some kind of discount, you will get a coupon, you will get a benefit from all those products. So this is all about the various aspects which covers under the selling aspect. Now the third one. When we are talking about the third concept of philosophies of marketing, then it is generally known as the marketing concept. And when I am talking about the concept of marketing, then marketing is generally says about the social and managerial process. Think and imagine, as I told you in our very first lecture, that when we are talking about the marketing activity, just imagine that if people are producing the product and if they cannot sell you, or if you do not have any kind of information related to that product, if you do not know the features of that product, then how it is possible from your side as a customer to purchase all those products? Firstly, what you think, what you imagine, what are your criteria, what kind of amount you will pay, this all concepts come together. And that's why in marketing concept it says that marketing is a social and managerial process through which the individuals and groups are obtained what they need and want through creating, offering and exchanging the product value with others. So till the time we discussed three concepts, that is product concept, production concept, selling concept, Fourth one, that is the marketing concept that already discussed right now. And the last one, that is the holistic marketing approach. So when we are talking about the holistic marketing approach, then one thing comes in my mind, that is nowadays people are focusing on the ethical situation. What is right and what is wrong. They are focusing on the product. Before giving to customer, they think themselves as a customer and imagine that what kind of questions or queries will raise from the customer's point of view. So at this particular situation, they prepare the product on the basis of the mindset which is mentioned in the chapter of consumer behavior. It is of your 5th or 6th unit. We will going to discuss in the next or upcoming session. Here in this particular aspect, when we are talking about the philosophies of marketing, then from too many years, from last 200 years, our marketing concept changed year by year. We do not know that what will happen in future, what kind of integration will be there in the future, what kind of suggestions will be taken care by the company, by the management, by the organization or by the industry. So here in this particular case, they are also focusing on the communication aspect. So when we are talking about holistic marketing approach, one more extra added point over here in holistic marketing approach is the ethical point of view, and second one, that is the communication. If your communication is not good, if your communication is not proper, or if you cannot communicate about your product and services towards the consumer, then definitely consumer will not going to purchase your product. They will purchase the product of competitor. And in this age of competition, all organizations, all companies and all people are fighting for themselves to stay in one market, in one particular market itself for the survival point of view. So here in this case, it is the second point which is under the holistic marketing approach. Third one, that is integration. Integrations here is all about the combination between the two parts, that is company and the customer. So when we are talking about the marketing activity, here the marketing activity is purely based on a gap between company and customer. There is a gap only. Once again, it is related with the 4P concept that we will discuss in next lecture or in upcoming sessions. But here, when we are talking about the integration between these two, company and customer, then it includes the promotional tool. That promotional tools are either internet marketing, direct marketing, personal selling, service marketing, advertising and many more kind of things. So this is all about the basic philosophies of marketing. Once again, before ending this session, let me revise that what kind of philosophies are given by Philip Kotler in marketing management. It is also known as company orientation towards the marketplace, and these 5 points are product concept, production concept, selling concept, marketing concept and holistic marketing approach. So this is all about the end of our first unit. Till the time we discuss 3 different points. The first one, that is introduction, second one, that is company orientation toward the marketplace, and third one, that is 4 P's of marketing. In the next session we will going to discuss the second unit of marketing management. Till that time, thank you very much, bye, and hope you enjoy this session.